Selecting the profile image was learned in the last video. In this video we can learn how to save the selected image, can be saved with two text field data. We learned that earlier. Add two text field below the stack widget. Name and bio. Text field. Decoration. Input decoration. Hint text. Enter name. Content padding. Edge insets all. 10. Change the main axis alignment to cross-axis alignment. Add a sized box on top of the tag. Height 24. And add another one below the stack. Align this widgets in center. Wrap the column with the container widget. Padding. Edge inset symmetrical. Horizontal 32. Then add a border to the text field. Border. Outline input border. Add a sized box below. And add another text field for bio. Then add a sized box. Then add elevated button. Text save profile. On pressed. Function name save profile. Create a function. Save profile. Now we can save the image and text fields. Declare two text editing controller variables. To retrieve data. Name controller and bio controller. Add controllers in text fields. Remove const. Create a new Firebase project. We learned that earlier. Add these dependencies in pubspec.yaml. Firebase Core is a foundation package that allows Flutter developers to use various Firebase service in their applications. Cloud Firestore is a package that allows Flutter developers easily integrate with and utilize the Cloud Firestore database, making it easier to store, retrieve, and manipulate data in real time. Firebase Cloud Storage is a cloud-based storage solution that allows you to store and retrieve user-generated content like images, videos, audio files, and other binary data. Pub-get. Open void main. Import Firebase Core. Initialize Firebase in void main. Enable Cloud Firestore. That is studied earlier. Enable cloud storage. Here is the option to create new folder. But we are creating it using program. This used for store image files. Firebase Storage dependency is using for that. Create a new directory. Resources. And create a Dart file inside that directory. Save data. Dart. Import material Dart. Create a class. Store data. Create a function to upload image. Create Firebase Storage instance. Storage. FirebaseStorage.instance. Package is imported. Create function. Future string. Upload image to storage. Async. Pass arguments. String child name. This is file name. Storage.ref.child. Child name. That is the file name. Reference ref. Reference in Dart is a type of data that points to an object in memory. It is used to occur in objects' data and behavior, as well as to pass objects between functions. Upload task. Upload task refers to the process of uploading a file or data to a remote server or cloud storage. Upload task equals ref.putData file. TaskSnapshot. TaskSnapshot in Flutter is an object that represents the current state of an asynchronous task, such as an upload or download task. It provides information about the progress of the task and any errors they may have occurred during the task. Snapshot equals upload task variable. Await snapshot.ref.get download URL. That return URL. String download URL. Return that URL variable. Then we create a Firebase for save name, bio, image link. Create a function that returns string. Future string. Function name save data. Parameters. Required. String name. Required, string bio. Required, uint8 list file. Async. Include try-catch block. Catch error variable. Declare a return variable. String RESP. RESP equals some error occurred. RESP equals error.toString. Return RESP. Then inside try block. First we call the upload image function. Child name is file name. Profile image. File is passed image file. Await. It returns a string. URL link. Image URL equals. Then save name, bio, and URL in collection. Use this FireStore instance. Await firestore.collection. Give a collection name. User profile. .add. Pass the datas. Name. Value is variable name. Bio. Variable bio. Then image link. That is returned in here. Image URL. RESP equals success. Open main.dart. Then call the function in here. Async. String RESP equals. First import resources, add data.dart. RESP await. Store data class. .save data function. Then collect data. String name. Name controller.text. String bio. Bio controller.text. Pass name and bio variables. File is image variable. Null check. Open add data.dart. Check there is value. If name is not empty, or bio is not empty. Run the app. Select image. Enter data. Save. Open Firebase Storage. Image is saved. Then open Firestore database. Data saved. This is image link. Copy the link. Paste it in a browser. It is not display. It is downloaded. This is image. Drag it in a browser. Image is opened. Select another image. Give another name and bio. Save. Another data saved. But in storage there is no new image. Actually, this is a new image and it has been overwritten because the name is the same. Actually, the profile image should be saved during sign-in registration, which we learned earlier. The ID generated during sign-in registration should be used here. Then unique file name will be generated. The profile image given first will be created as a folder. Thank you for watching.